Nanas nila eh. Ganun yun. Ito di Brotherhood.
Maraming salamat sa merienda. Ay, ajay. Rogyan yan, rogyan yan. Ang damay mo yan ni Dua. Kwata ka sumuso. Gawa na.
Exhibition game Sagun IT Brotherhood in SK.
First five.
Pretty Brotherhood. Bright SK. Pep SK.
Mas bata o ang medyo may edad na? Youngsters versus Thunders. Itanong ka nga tama, Thunders na? Mapapatunayan yan. Makita matitikwa ka nun. Yan. Okay, game! First five ng SK. Ni kaslamat is, apay nga may nakasdyan yung pumil mo ng lakas.
Si Jason.
Mang-google. White and colored. Okay. First five. Nang sagot to, SK. Mr. Paliwan, Mr. Gabi, Mr. Galvez, Mr. Bukol, and Mr. Fong. Sa Philip, Mr. Robert Sumalat, Mr. Budabots, Mr. Escape yung Uncle Pans, Mr. Lacson, and Impact. Okay, again, our referees, Mr. Jomer and Kuya Jay. But there's a call right away. Wala yung fire. Anong kaguluhan ito? Saysayaan nito kay Ayam. Maganasan tangal po yan. Okay, Buddha Boots. Ibanez to Mr. Wagayan. Wagayan back to Ibanez. Ibanez gives it forward 2 points. Okay, and then a big rebound by Mr. Paliwan to Mr. High Injurity. Galvez to Mr. Fuchs to Galvez to Mr. Gabi pala. Takbo, what's that? Mr. Balyao and Mr. Flores. Ay, kaya naman pala.
Guys!